the daytime. Girl, I want to be with you all of the time. The only time I feel alright is by your side. Girl, I want to be with you all of the time, all day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. I believe that you and me last forever. Oh yeah, all day and night I'm yours, leave me never. The only time I feel alright is by your side. Girl, I want to be with you all of the time, all day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. Oh, come on! I believe that you and me last forever. Oh yeah, all day and night I'm yours, leave me never. The only time I feel alright is by your side. Girl, I want to be with you all of the time, all day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. All day and all of the night. When I was small, I believed in Santa Claus, though I knew it was my dad. And I would hang up my stocking at Christmas, open my presents and I'd be glad. But the last time I played Father Christmas, I stood outside a department store. A gang of kids came over and mugged me and knocked my reindeer to the floor. He said, Father Christmas, give us some money. Don't mess around with those silly toys. We'll beat you up if you don't hand it over. We want your bread, so don't make us annoy. Give all the toys to the little rich boys. Don't give my brother a Steve Austin outfit. Don't give my sister a cuddly toy. We don't want a jigsaw or Monopoly money. We only want the real McCoy. Father Christmas, give us some money. We'll beat you up if you make us annoy. Father Christmas, give us some money. Don't mess around with those silly toys. But give my daddy a job cause he needs one. He's got lots of mouths to feed. But if you've got one, I have a machine gun, so I can scare all the kids on the street. Father Christmas, give us some money. We got no time for your silly toys. We'll beat you up if you don't hand it over. We want your bread, so don't make us annoy. Give all the toys to the little rich boys. Have yourself a merry, merry Christmas. Have yourself a good time. But remember the kids who got nothing while you're drinking down your wine. Christmas, give us some money. We got no time for your silly toys. Father Christmas, please hand it over. We'll beat you up, so don't make us annoyed. Father Christmas, give us some money. Don't mess around with those silly toys. Beat you up, don't hand it over. We want your bread, so don't make us annoyed. Give all the toys to the little rich boy. Let me take you on a little trip. My supersonic ship's at your disposal if you feel so inclined. Well, alright. We're gonna travel faster than light, so do up your overcoat tight, and we'll go anywhere you want to decide. Well, alright. Too many people side by side, got no place to hide. On my supersonic rocket ship, nobody has to be helped, nobody needs to be out of sight. Oh, out of sight, man. Nobody's gonna travel second class, there'll be equality and no suppression of minorities. We'll take this planet, shake it round, and turn it upside down. My supersonic rocket ship. It ain't no magic, ain't no lie. Your life's all out to cry. Up and down, round and round, on my supersonic rocket ship. Let me take you on a little trip. My supersonic ship's at your disposal if you feel so inclined. Well, alright. Nobody gonna travel second class, there'll be equality and no suppression of minorities. Well, alright. Let me take you on a little trip. On my supersonic rocket ship. Don't know why I'm even bothering. Yeah, that's the mood I'm in. Go out for a walk, then I come back in. Predictable. Yeah, the mood I'm in. Predictable. Every day in my life, can't even communicate with my wife. Predictable. That's the word kiss you hello, then I kiss you goodbye. Predictable. Just like the stain on my tie. Predictable. Just like the jacket I wear. Predictable. The way that I'm combing my hair. Turn on the TV, just sit and stare. Predictable. There's nothing happening there. Yeah, that's the word of the year. Predictable. All I see, all I hear. Oh, Mr. Pleasant, how is Mrs. Pleasant? I hope the world is treating you right, and your head's in the air, and you're feeling so proud, 'cause you're such a success, and the whole wide world is on your side. Hey, hey, how are you today? People say Mr. Pleasant is good, Mr. Pleasant is kind, Mr. Pleasant's okay, Mr. Pleasant don't mind, as long as Mr. Pleasant's alright. Hey, hey, how are you today? How's your father? How's your mother? How's your sister? How's your brother? How's your brand new limousine? 24-inch TV screen. Is you like prosperity more than you like poverty? Life is easier, so much easier. Life is easier now. Oh, Mr. Pleasant, how is Mrs. Pleasant? Did you know she was flirting around with another young man, and he's taking her out when you have to work late, and it's not so pleasant after all. Hey, hey, how are you today? People say Mr. Pleasant is good, Mr. Pleasant is good, Mr. Pleasant, some say Mr. Pleasant, as long as Mr. Pleasant's alright. Hey, hey, how are you today? Mr. Pleasant is good, Mr. Pleasant is kind, Mr. Pleasant's okay. Walter, remember when the world was young and all the girls knew Walter's name? Walter, isn't it a shame the way our little world has changed? Do you remember Walter playing cricket in the thunder and the rain? Do you remember Walter smoking cigarettes behind your garden gate? Yes, Walter was my mate, but Walter, my old friend, where are you now? Walter's name, Walter, isn't it a shame the way our little world has changed? Do you remember Walter, how we said we'd fight the world so we'd be free? We'd save up all our saw me now, you wouldn't even know my name. I bet you're fat and married and you're always home in bed by 8:30. And if I talked about the old times, you'd get bored and you'd have nothing more to say. Yes, people often change, but memories of people can remain.
My bank went broke and my well ran dry. It was almost enough to contemplate suicide. I turned on the gas, but then I soon realized I hadn't settled my bill, so they cut off my supply. No matter how I tried, it seems I'm too young to die. Life goes on and on and on. Life goes on and on and on. Tornado, cyclone and hurricane can batter the houses with the thunder and rain. Blizzards can blow the way
You're tuned to Britain's grooviest radio show, Top of the Pops. And here come those four lads from North London called The Kinks. The song you've heard before, as it's the one that Kink Ray Davies wrote specially for Dave Berry, and it's called The Strange Effect.
Got this strange effect on me, and I like it. You've got this strange effect on me, and I like it. You make my world seem right. You make my darkness bright. Oh yes, you've got this strange effect on me, and I like it. And I like it. And I like the way you kiss me. Don't know if I should, but this feeling is love, and I know it. That's why I feel You've got this strange effect on me, and I like it. You've got this strange effect on me, and I like it. You make my world seem right. You make my darkness bright. Oh yes, you've got this strange effect on me, and I like it. And I like it. And I like it. I remember when you were down and you needed a helping hand. I came to feed you, but now that I need you, you won't give me a second glance. Now I'm calling on citizens from all over the world. This is Captain America calling. I bailed you out when you were down on your knees, so will you catch me now? I'm falling. Help me now, I'm calling you. Catch me now, I'm falling. I'm in your hands, it's up to you. Catch me now, I'm falling. I remember when you were down, you would always come running to Captain America calling. This is Captain America calling. Catch me now, falling. Catch me now, falling. I was the one who always built you out of your depressions and your difficulties. I never thought that you would let me down, but the next time you're in trouble, better not come running to me. Now I'm calling on citizens from all over the world. This is Captain America calling. Calling. I built you out when you were down on your knees. So will you catch me now? I'm falling. Falling. Catch me now, I'm 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 falling.
Tom is young and Tom is bold. Tom is as bold as the night of old. But whenever he gets in a bit of a jam, there's nothing he won't do to get to Harry Rag. Harry Rag, Harry Rag, do anything just to get to Harry Rag. Then he curses himself for the life he's led, and knows himself a Harry Rag and puts himself to bed. Ah, Tom's old ma is a dying lass. Soon they all reckon she'll be pushing up the grass, and the bones might take and the skin might sag. And still she's got the strength to have a Harry Rag. Harry Rag, Harry Rag, do anything just to get to Harry Rag. Then she curses herself for the life she's led, and rolls herself a Harry Rag and puts herself to bed. Ah, bless your taxman, bless your all. You may take some, but you'll never take it all. But if I give it all, I won't feel sad, as long as I have got enough to buy a Harry Rag. Harry Rag, Harry Rag, do anything just to get a Harry Rag. Then I curse myself for the life I've led, and roll myself a Harry Rag and put myself to bed. Ah, the smart young ladies of the land can't relax without a Harry in their hand. Then they light one up and they boast and brag, so content because they got a Harry Rag. Harry Rag, Harry Rag, do anything just to get a Harry Rag. Then they light one up and they boast and brag, so content because they got a Harry Rag. Hey! Harry Rag, Harry Rag, I'll do anything just to get to Harry Rag. Then I curse myself for the life I've led, and roll myself a Harry Rag and put myself to bed. I've been waiting for years to buy a brand new Cadillac, but now that I've got one, I wanna send it right back. I can't afford there's a little gas going, but you have to wait. Pretty often some red hot speed and some really high grade high. But a gallon of gas can't be purchased anywhere for any amount of cash. I could score you some coke and some grade one grass, but I can't get a gallon of gas. I got some dollars and speed, all the drugs that you need, but I can't get a gallon of gas. There's no more left to buy and sell, there's no more oil left in the well. A gallon of gas can't be purchased anywhere for any amount of cash. Who needs a car and a 747 when you can't buy a gallon of gas? Who needs a highway, an airport, or a jet when you can't get a gallon of gas? There's no more left to buy and sell, there's no more oil left in the well. A gallon of gas can't be purchased anywhere for any amount of cash. You can't buy a gallon of gas. You've come a long way from the runny-nosed and scruffy kid I knew. You had such good ways. I can remember little things that always made you smile. They made you happy. Now you think you're wiser because you're older, and you think that money buys everything, and you think that you need no one to guide you, but you're still a long way from home. You've come a long way, you're self-assured and dressed in funny clothes, but you don't know me. I hope you find what you are looking for with your car and your handmade overcoat. But your wealth will never make you stronger, 'cause you're still a long way from home. Yeah, you're still a long way from home. Sunday afternoon, there's something special, it's just like another world. Jogging in the park is my excuse to look at all the little girls. I'm not a flasher in a raincoat, I'm not a dirty old man. I'm not gonna snatch you from your mother. I'm an art lover. Come to daddy. Oh, come to daddy. Come to daddy. Pretty little legs, I want to draw them like a Degas ballerina. Pure white skin, like porcelain. She's a work of art, and I should know. I'm an art lover. Come to daddy. And I'll give you some spangles. Little girl, don't notice me, watching as she innocently plays. She can't see me staring at her, because I'm always wearing shades. She feeds the ducks, looks at the flowers. I follow her around for hours and hours. I'd take her home, but that can never be. She's just a substitute for what's been taken from me. Oh, come to daddy, come on. Sunday afternoon can't last forever. Wish I could take you home. So, come on, give us a smile before you vanish out of view. I've learned to appreciate you the way art lovers do. And I only want to look at you.
out.